Look, Ricochet, I had to do this shit, my nigga. Just listen, let go. All my bitches banging, triple deep what they claiming. I nickname a Dick Raymond, cause everybody loves Raymond. I'm hot, I'm flaming. I'm a real nigga, I'm not changing. So many bitches to shoot at, I think I need to start aiming. I say all my bitches swaggy, and all your bitches raggedy. She came to the club with a uniform on. Why she wearing khakis? I say all my bitches nasty, all my bitches sassy, all my bitches ballin'. Yes sir, they just did they tags. I say all my bitches freaks, that mean we be goosing. I be getting chose like that DJ out in Houston. All my bitches give me brain until they feel stupid. All my bitches packing, cause they booty moving. I say all my bitches banging, they bumping, no herpes. What your bitches drinking, cause they parched, they thirsty. I pulled my dick out, the first thing she said was don't hurt me. I bent that bitch over and I showed that hoe no mercy. I was banging, banging, banging like Ricochet. Put that controller down, cause girl I'm not fenced to play. I say girl I'm not fenced to play. Hell now I'm not friends with Sega. You eat out, no you eat out. Goddamn I'm an instigator, say all my bitches ruthless. Your boyfriend ain't Rufus, girl come suck my dick. Make me think that you are toothless. I say all these bitches groupies. Girl your man is useless. I slap your ass in front of him, I bet that he don't do shit. I say all these niggas weak, and all these bitches freaks. None of them vegetarians, cause all these hoes won't meat. And girlfriend when we meet, I am going to beat. My dick tastes like the Jello pudding, I know it is sweet. Papa run, what it do, boy? Ricochet, what's happening? The same hoes I went to school with, I see them now and I'm like, what happened? What happened? What happened? What happened, bitch? What happened? Papa run outside, so I gotta go. So, this hoe got cut short, man, I'm sorry.